I'm Callie Lewis. You're watching Geek Brief TV. This is Brief 515. The Mobile World Congress is happening in Barcelona, and that means we're actually getting some exciting gadget news to share with you. Let's start with the LG X120 from LG Electronics. It's a pretty little netbook with built-in 3G. It has a 160GB hard drive and has a fast start app that gives you access to frequently used apps within 5 seconds after you turn on the power. It'll connect to other computers for file exchange using a SmartLink USB cable. It only weighs 1.2 kilograms. There are two battery options. One lasts 3.5 hours and the other lasts for 7 hours. It also has a built-in 1.3 megapixel webcam. The LG X120 will be available in Europe starting in March and I presume everywhere else sometime later. The second commercially available phone that'll use Google Android OS is going to be the HTC Mag. Word from MWC is that it's impressive. Interesting fact, it'll be available in white in the UK, Spain, and France. It'll be available in black in Germany, and Italy gets a choice between white or black. That just kind of seems weird to me. Information about release to other markets will come later. In addition to a 3.2-inch HVGA touchscreen display, the HTC Mag also has a trackball and navigational buttons. The camera is 3.2 megapixel, and of course it has GPS and 3G. The deal breaker for me would be that it has a proprietary headphone jack, which is probably weirder than different countries getting different colors. Sony announced new cyber shots, and it's the DSC-T900 that captured my fancy. It's a beautiful point and shoot that has some intelligence built into auto mode. Intelligent auto mode quickly adjusts settings to give you the best result you can get in each particular shooting situation. It only takes 1/30th of a second to make a settings adjustment when conditions change. Kind of like Santa knows who's naughty or nice, the DSC-T900 knows not to take a picture when a person's eyes are closed. It records 720p video at 30 frames per second. That's something we're seeing more and more in point and shoots. What's unique is the stereo microphone. The T900 will sell for about $380. So what's that? We have a netbook from LG, a Google phone from HTC, a point and shoot from Sony. How about Bluetooth stereo headphones from Philips? There are a few things that make the Tapster headset stand out. The main thing is touch and gesture control. A stroke on the surface of the buds will adjust the volume. Tapping them will answer a call, and taking them off will transfer an active call to your Bluetooth-enabled phone. Tapsters use an algorithm to improve audio quality of music if you'd like to use it. The digital audio enhancement they call Full Sound can be turned off or on, whatever you prefer. You know, sometimes a Twitter post is an announcement. Sometimes it's a micro conversation. Sometimes the conversation really gets going, and that's where TinyChat finds its place. TinyChat is a web-based chat application that works in any browser on a computer or smartphone. A keen bit of Twitter integration means you can create a chat using your Twitter login info, and TinyChat will announce your chat session to your followers. It's simple to use, doesn't require or even allow you to create an account. Chat sessions are disposable. Unless you intentionally save the log, it disappears as soon as you leave. It has some new service type issues that will have to be fixed soon. The biggest weakness is that it doesn't have a moderation function, and no chat room on the internet can be open to the public without the ability to kick people out when they're acting foolish. It has a lot of promise for allowing dynamic Twitter conversations to become more dynamic. You can give it a go at tinychat.com. We're up to nearly 500 entries on my Bag of Swag contest. Those are pretty good odds. You can enter to win by going to geekbrief.tv and leaving a comment for Brief 514. I want 3 reasons why you want to win the bag, including my Sanyo Zac HD camera. We'll announce a winner this Saturday. Thanks for watching, and thanks for using my promo codes. Say them with me: GB1, GB2, or GB3 at checkout at GoDaddy.com. I'm Callie Lewis. What? I'm Italian, I use my hands. It's a beautiful point and shoot that has some...
Beautiful? Really?
Yep.
You look beautiful tonight.